Becoming a waiter can be a rewarding experience. Here are some steps to help you get started. Learn basic skills. Familiarize yourself with basic serving skills, such as carrying trays, setting tables, and handling orders. Practice good communication and customer service. Education and training. While formal education isn't always required, consider taking courses or workshops related to hospitality, food safety, and customer service. Some restaurants may provide on-the-job training. Gain experience. Look for entry-level positions in restaurants, cafes, or catering services. Volunteer or work part-time to gain practical experience. Build your resume by highlighting any relevant experience, including customer service roles, teamwork, and multitasking. Emphasize your ability to work well under pressure. Apply for jobs. Search for waiter or waitress positions online, in local newspapers, or through networking. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each application. Prepare for interviews. Be ready to discuss your skills, availability, and passion for customer service. Dress professionally for interviews. Stay positive and persistent. Job hunting can be challenging, but stay motivated and keep applying. Network with industry professionals and attend job fairs. Remember, being a waiter involves more than just serving food. It's about creating a positive dining experience for customers.